beautiful people, and welcome to Bomb Kids TV. Today's video is sponsored by Asteria Hair. They sent over this beautiful 13x6 unit, and let me tell y'all right now, I used to be a customer of Asteria Hair. I have been purchasing from them on and off since about the end of 2018, beginning of 2019. I'm not sure if they're aware of this right now, but I actually tried to work with them once. They were like, no, not at this time. So now that we done got our platform up, they emailed me and they wanted to work with me, and I was super excited because this is one of those companies that I actually purchased from with my hard-earned money. So there's a few companies out there where I feel like they have good hair, but I choose to go with certain companies over them. Asteria is one of those companies where I would give them a 10 out of 10. I was buying their wigs. Are they the super cheapest? No, but you get what you pay for. They sent over this curly deep wave unit. Right now I have a conditioner. Let me get close up so you can see the pattern. I have conditioner, mousse, and water in it right now. I took a shower. It's dry right now. It's completely dry. The hair does get bigger than this, which is what you guys saw in the install. No, it's what you're about to see in the install. So the hair, if you like big hair, this hair gets really big. If you want it flat and wet, it can actually get flatter than this. This is just what I was comfortable with. But Asteria Hair, 10 out of 10. Anytime y'all email me, I'm gonna respond because I already know the hair is fire. I was a customer, a loyal customer prior to the sponsorship. So this is one of the companies that I don't have to wear the hair for a week or 2 weeks to let y'all know the hair is bomb. So this is the hairline. I did not pluck. I bleached the knots, and I actually over bleached them, which helped the thing give more of a scalp illusion. But the hair, I layered it a little bit. Asteria Hair, thank you guys so much. I'll have all the specs for this in the link in the description box below. They do have on their website discount codes that they give to you outside of my code. That I'll have down there. They have their own discount codes. Once you reach a certain threshold purchasing, they give you money off the total amount. So you don't have to get it right now, but definitely go check them out. This is giving good summer vibes to me, like spring, summer. It's giving natural. Like, I just left from getting my makeup done. My makeup artist was like, oh my God, I'm obsessed with your hair, because look at how good it looks. Looks like it's coming out my head. Anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this look and install effortless melt down, it is beginner friendly. You guys just keep on watching.